Antarctica, the southernmost continent on Earth, is a target for conspiracies, mysteries, and wacky theories that have captured the imaginations of people around the world. From secret Nazi bases to hidden ancient civilizations, the possibilities seem endless. Hello and welcome back to another video. We are Mindful Moments and we like to discover and explore the captivating realm of science, technology, conspiracies, and the universe. In recent years, the rise of Google Maps has fueled an explosion of supposed discoveries, adding fuel to the already burning fire of speculation. Over the years, many of these theories have been debunked. One popular theory is that Antarctica was once home to an advanced ancient civilization. This idea is supported by a series of supposed discoveries made using Google Maps, including the discovery of a mysterious pyramid-like structure and a supposed entrance to an underground base. The pyramid-like structure was allegedly discovered through Google Earth by an amateur researcher, and its coordinates were shared widely on social media. However, the truth about this pyramid-like structure in Antarctica is not as mysterious as it may seem. In fact, the structure is not a pyramid at all but a natural formation known as a nunatak, which is a rocky outcropping that protrudes through a glacier or ice sheet. This nunatak, located near Mount Herschel in Antarctica, has been photographed and studied extensively by scientists who have confirmed that it is a natural formation and not an artificial structure. The speculation and rumors about it being a pyramid were debunked by experts, who have explained that the shape of a nunatak can be attributed to natural geological processes. It is uncommon for claims about mysterious or unusual structures in Antarctica to circulate online. However, most of these claims are based on misinterpretations of satellite imagery or natural formations that are being presented as artificial structures. While there may be interesting geological features in Antarctica, there is no evidence to support the claims of ancient civilizations or alien structures. One of the most popular conspiracy theories surrounding Antarctica is the idea that there is a secret Nazi base hidden there. According to the theory, after World War II, high-ranking Nazis fled to the continent and established a base from which they could continue their nefarious activities. Despite the lack of concrete evidence to support this theory, it continues to capture the attention of many people around the world. Aside from these conspiracies, there are also many mysteries associated with Antarctica. For example, in 1979, a satellite captured an image of a strange, rectangular object sticking out of the ice near the coast. Dubbed the Antarctica Enigma, the object has never been explained, and many believe that it could be evidence of an ancient buried structure. In addition to these mysteries, a number of supposed Google Maps discoveries, mostly found by conspiracy enthusiasts. These include the discovery of what appears to be a giant staircase leading into the ice, and a discovery of a supposed UFO crash site. While many of these discoveries have been debunked, they continue to fuel the imaginations of those who are convinced that something strange is happening on the frozen continent. In the case of the alleged pyramid in Antarctica, it is clear that it is not an artificial structure, and the speculation around it being one can be dismissed. But they're not the only things that are interesting in this massive land of ice. Known for its harsh weather conditions and unique wildlife, Antarctica also has many other interesting facts about this icy land that may surprise you. Setting aside the conspiracies, here are 5 of the most fascinating facts about Antarctica. First, Antarctica is actually a desert despite being covered in ice. The continent receives very little precipitation, and what little snow and ice that do accumulate never melt due to the extreme low temperatures. This makes it the world's largest desert, with a size of 14 million square kilometers, and it is home to the world's largest and driest place. In the heart of the continent, there is a place called the Dry Valleys, which is one of the driest places on Earth. This area is almost completely devoid of snow and ice and has no visible signs of vegetation or animal life. It's so dry that scientists use it as a testing ground for studying conditions similar to Mars. Since there are no permanent residents in Antarctica, the continent doesn't have an official time zone. However, most research stations on the continent use New Zealand time as a reference. Also, Antarctica has its own currency. Although Antarctica doesn't have an official government or economy, some of the research stations on the continent have created their own currencies. These currencies are used among the researchers and staff on the stations and are usually in the form of commemorative coins or bills. Did you know that it's the only continent without a reptile species? Antarctica is home to a diverse array of wildlife, from penguins to seals to whales. However, it's the only continent on Earth without a reptile species. This is likely due to the extreme cold temperatures, such that it makes it more difficult for reptiles to survive. Not only is Antarctica known for its freezing weather and unique geological features, but it also has a number of interesting and surprising facts. From being the world's largest desert to having its own currency, Antarctica continues to fascinate and intrigue the people around the world. However, this ice sheet is shrinking at an alarming rate, raising concerns about the possible consequences of its melting. One of the main reasons behind the shrinking of Antarctica's ice sheet is climate change. As temperatures around the world continue to rise due to human activity, the ice in Antarctica is melting at an accelerating rate. According to a study published in the journal Nature in 2018, Antarctica lost about 2.7 billion metric tons of ice between 1992 and 2017, which has led to a rise in global sea levels by almost 8 millimeters. The study also found that the rate of ice loss has tripled since 2012, which is a cause for concern. Another factor contributing to the melting of the Antarctica's ice sheet is the warming ocean water. As warmer ocean water flows underneath the floating ice shelves that surround Antarctica, it melts the ice formed below, leading to the collapse of the shelves and the acceleration of the ice sheet's retreat. This is especially true for the West Antarctic ice sheet, which is more vulnerable to warming ocean waters due to its geography. Lower sea ice extent means that the ocean waves will pound the coast of the giant ice sheet, further reducing the ice shelves around Antarctica. The melting happening on the ice sheets of Greenland and the Arctic has not yet affected the South Pole area. However, the melting has been increasing in the past 10 years. As the sea ice decreases, the large glaciers in Antarctica become more vulnerable. This is because dark ocean water absorbs more heat from the sun, which would usually reflect off the white ice. The shrinking of Antarctica's ice sheet has several possible impacts on the environment and human life. One of the most significant impacts is the rise in global sea levels. If all of Antarctica's ice melts, it could cause a sea level rise of over 60 meters, which would flood coastal cities and displace millions of people. In addition, the melting of the ice sheet could also alter ocean currents, affecting global climate patterns and weather conditions. The melting of Antarctica poses a serious threat not only to the continent itself but also to the rest of the world. As ice continues to melt, sea levels rise, causing flooding and erosion along coastlines. The impact of these changes will be felt across the globe and will have serious implications for the future of our planet. It is crucial that we take action to reduce our carbon footprint and protect our environment before it's too late. Antarctica is undoubtedly a fascinating place with many mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Many of the more outlandish theories that have been proposed over the years have been thoroughly debunked. As technology and scientific understanding continue to improve, it is likely that we will learn even more about this mysterious continent in the years to come. That is it for this video. I hope you find it as exciting as I did. Thank you for watching, and if you have any more questions or comments, maybe anything about mystery, scientific discoveries, or conspiracies you want to share, let us know in the comments below. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button to encourage us in making more videos like this in the future. We are Mindful Moments dedicated to exploring the captivating realm of science, technology, conspiracies, and the universe. See you again on the next video.